Let friends in your social network know what you are reading about. Rep. Louis Gohmert, who tested positive for COVID-19 on Wednesday, said he was touching his face while wearing a mask. A link has been sent to your friend's email address. A link has been posted to your Facebook feed. Attorney General William Barr will be tested for coronavirus after coming into contact with U.S. Congressman Louis Gohmert of Texas, who caught it. USATODAYWASHINGTON. Representative Louis Gohmert, a Republican from Texas who tested positive for COVID-19 Wednesday, suggested that he may have contracted the virus because he was wearing a mask, despite health guidance encouraging mask wearing to reduce the spread. "I can't help but wonder if by keeping a mask on and keeping it in place, I might have put some germs, some virus, onto the mask and breathed it in," Gohmert said in an interview with Texas station KETK. Gohmert tested positive Wednesday morning at the White House, he said, ahead of a scheduled trip accompanying President Donald Trump to Texas on Air Force One. He has frequently been seen without a mask while in proximity to others on Capitol Hill and told CNN last month that he wasn't wearing a mask because he has tested often but would wear one if he tested positive. Fact check: what's true and what's false about face masks? The congressman is not symptomatic, and plans to self-quarantine for 10 days, he said, at which point he should be fairly well immune. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says it is still unknown whether someone who has been infected in the past can become infected again. A day after President Donald Trump and his son shared a fresh dose of misinformation about hydroxychloroquine in videos that were taken down by Twitter and Facebook, Trump again touted the benefits of the drug, insisting it's safe and effective. July 28, AP Domestic Gohmert said he thinks people should be able to decide whether they want to wear a mask despite mandatory mask orders in many Texas counties, but I do feel that once somebody has been found to have the coronavirus that they should wear a mask. Preferably not even be in public. Gohmert's Democratic opponent for Texas's 1st Congressional District, Hank Gilbert, said in a statement that he sends his thoughts and prayers for Gohmert's recovery. However, the fact that he still will not support the mask mandate of our own governor is truly disturbing, Gilbert said. "There are an awful lot of people that think it's the great thing to do all the time, but I can't help but think that if I hadn't been wearing a mask so much in the last 10 days or so, I really wonder if I would have gotten it," Gohmert said. "I know moving the mask around, getting it just right, I'm bound to put some virus on the mask that I sucked in, that's most likely what happened." Contributing, Nicholas Wu, Jason Lalji, Kevin Johnson and David Jackson. This is how often you should wash your cloth face mask.